What's up, family? Welcome to Dean's Experience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of your screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to it.
What's up, family? For this twice baked potato recipe, all you're going to need is some extra virgin olive oil, nice round plunked potatoes, butter, 1 or 2 eggs depending, just the yolk, salt and pepper to taste, evaporated milk, or half and half. This meal is a cool meal to prepare for your friends and family. Not is it just cool, but it looks stylish as well. With that said, let's get to creating, family. So here we have our nice 3 plumped potatoes. We're going to give these a nice thorough wash. After we wash them, we're going to go ahead and lather them with extra virgin olive oil. Not a whole bunch, just put some on your hand and rub it on a potato. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees as well. Look at these bad boys. So we're going to put these in the oven for at least 45 minutes to an hour. All right. Quick fact.
What benefits does potatoes have? The potatoes' fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 content, coupled with a lack of cholesterol, all support heart health. Potatoes contain a significant amount of fiber. Fiber helps lower the total amount of cholesterol in the blood, thereby decreasing the risk of heart disease.
Cool. Now that we got our potatoes out the oven, they have been cooked for 45 minutes. Be careful, they're hot. You also want to grab you a nice towel too, because you're going to be holding these. You want to take your paring knife or any knife you have, and you want to cut an oval or the top of the potato off, like I'm doing here. I like to use a soup spoon to get the top of the potatoes off. And be careful. It is hot. Now at this time, we're going to go ahead and get the potatoes out the middle of our potato and put them in our silver bowl. Be careful not to nick it, but if you do, it's okay. I will show you how we can patch that here in a second. Now we have our potatoes dug out, we have our potatoes in our bowl. We're going to add 1 egg yolk, or 2 depending on how many eggs you're making. A half a cup of evaporated milk, or half and half, our salt, and our pepper. And you want to season to taste. We're going to go ahead, take our fork, and mash that in. This is what we have. Okay, let's make our twice baked potato. Like I said earlier, if you made a little nick or made a crack in your potato, you're going to take the tops of your potatoes and stick it back in. And if you've made a mistake, you can patch it up this way. See? Told you not to worry about anything. Alright, now we're going to fill our potatoes up. Now get creative. When you do mix your mashed potatoes, you can mix it with your cheese, your bacon bits. Do whatever you want. Make it cool. Make it stylish. I'm just showing you the basics here. But man, I promise you, when your friends and family see it, it looks cool. It's stylish. Now we're going to take our fork, make a little design in it. Sometimes I do get creative and I'll put people's initials in it. Pretty cool. And we're going to take our butter and we're going to glaze the top of our potatoes. Okay, we're going to put them back in our pan and we're going to place these back in the oven for another 20 to 30 minutes. Quick fact.
Where did baked potatoes originate? The first permanent potato patch in North America was established in 1719, most likely near Londonderry in H, by Scottish-Irish immigrants. From there, the crop spread across the country.
After about 20-30 minutes, this is what you have. I took mine out exactly at 20 minutes, but if you like yours a darker crust on top of your twice baked potato, cook it for 30 minutes. And if you want it darker than that, then even longer. I'm gonna go ahead and garnish mine with sour cream and some chives. You can put anything you want on yours. Get creative, like I said. This is a stylish baked potato. Go ahead and add my chives on here. Look at that. I don't want to mess it up. It looks too nice. But let me go ahead and dig in. Grab a little bit of my sour cream. Let's have a taste. Oh, that was good. But thanks again, family, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom. Thank you again for joining me. Until next time, peace.